Ever pondered over the fact that over 10 billion liters of waste oil are jeopardizing our environment? It's a startling number, isn't it? Today, we're diving deep into the world of recycling, specifically focusing on waste cooking oil. Imagine this. You're in your kitchen, the aroma of fried food wafting through the air. Once the cooking is done, you're left with a pan of used oil. What do you do with it? Unfortunately, many people simply toss it out, not realizing the environmental impact. It's a pressing issue that Salvia Elementary School and the Jalantara Foundation are tackling head-on. Firstly, there's the collection process. It begins at home with you. Instead of pouring that used cooking oil down the drain or tossing it in the trash, you can collect it in a container. Remember, every drop counts. Then, there's the purification stage. The collected oil undergoes a process called filtration, where it's strained through a filter or a fine cloth to remove any food particles. This results in cleaner oil, ready for the next step. Now we move on to the conversion phase. Here, the filtered oil is mixed with an alcohol and a catalyst. This mixture is then heated and stirred. The result? It separates into two layers, glycerin and biodiesel. The glycerin is separated and can be used in a variety of products like soap or compost. The biodiesel, on the other hand, goes through one final process called washing, where it's cleaned to remove any remaining contaminants. And voila, you have a green fuel source made right from your kitchen waste. Now let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We've seen how waste cooking oil, instead of being an environmental hazard, can be transformed into something useful. We've understood the step-by-step process: collection, purification, conversion, and washing. Through the efforts of Salvia Elementary School and the Jalantara Foundation, young minds are learning about this recycling technique, fostering a generation that's more aware and more caring towards our environment. Imagine the impact if everyone started recycling their waste cooking oil. It's a small step, but it could lead to a big change. So the next time you're in your kitchen and you're done frying, remember, don't toss that oil. You have the power to make a difference. And on that note, we wrap up our journey into the world of recycling. Remember, every drop counts. Every effort matters. Let's make our world a better place, one recycled cooking oil at a time.